clipping is without a doubt the easiest way to make money for beginners in 2025. And let me show you why. People on Clipster on average make $100 a month passively. It may not sound like a lot, but it is only the average. Most of the people don't even try it or earn zero. Now I know you probably come from Whop clipping, but before it was on Whop, there was always other clipping platforms that are less known and that are more experienced and that have been running for years. One of them is Clipster. Clipster has always had brand deals with Aiden Ross, Tyga, Kendrick Lamar, and other famous people. And let me quickly show you how to start making at least $1,000 a month with Clipster. By the way, to register, you can find the link down below. It's very simple. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so right after you complete registration, you need to first link an account. So for example, I will show you how to link an account. So I'll use this account, don't pay attention to it. I'll just paste it right here. Then you will receive this code that you need to input into your bio. So you go here and you input this code, you click submit, and then click verify. And after it's done verifying, you can go ahead and remove this and then click submit again, and you can now post clips on that Instagram and submit them. Also, before posting, you have to input your payment information, so for example a PayPal account or crypto. Okay, so now let's move on to the tutorial. At the moment they don't have a lot, but they always get new cycles. So for example, they have one with Tyga right now, they have one with BB No Money, Rain.gg, and basically other stuff. They always have different celebrities, etc., different streamers. It's basically every day you get like new stuff here. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how I do things and how I think it is easier to make money from clipping. To actually make money from clipping, I believe that you should not even clip yourself. For example, let's see this campaign. Okay, this is Tyga x Clipster. So you need to clip Tyga's Russian stream. So let's go ahead to tiktok.com, and this is what I recommend. I recommend downloading other people clips, and I will show you how. So let's type in Tyga Russia to find clips for this exact thing. Okay, where is this clip in Russia? Okay, this is one of the clips in Russia. So if you're looking on TikTok for clips, you can download from TikTok using snaptik.app. This website is very easy to use. You just copy this and download, click download video, and you will save it. And as you see, it is saved right here. That's how you download clips from TikTok. And from Instagram, it's snapinsta.to. So it's similar things. Okay, what I want you to do is basically every time you want to clip for someone, I want you to download clips from TikTok, post them on Instagram, and the other way around as well. For example, let's see for BB No Money. Okay, this one is only on TikTok. You can also search for clips on YouTube. Morel, funny videos, reality shows, no manga, no gore, must comment, song name. Okay, so you actually need to type in this. Click right here, shorts, and you will see a lot of shorts about BB No Money, like that exact sound. So you can also look for clips on YouTube and post them on TikTok or Instagram. And I believe that is better than editing yourself, because you are way more efficient and you only need to work like 5 minutes a day. You just post some clips from every single campaign, and yeah, that's about it. You post videos, you download from YouTube, you post on TikTok or Instagram, you download from TikTok, you post on YouTube or Instagram. I will also leave the video downloaders in the description where you can, for example, paste YouTube video links and download them and post them on TikTok without any watermarks or anything like that. Also, let me quickly show you how to submit content. So for example, if you posted a video, you click submit content, you paste the URL of your video, and you click submit right here, and you will start getting paid for every single view. There's also a recent payment I got. You have received the payment from Clipster. Thank you for using our services. So yeah, that's just something I get regularly. It is passive income at this point. Okay, and one more thing, I do recommend joining the Discord, which I will also leave down below, because you will be able to see new active campaigns launch, and you will get tagged, and you will know sooner than anyone else. As you see, there are many people happy with their earnings. For example, this guy. This community is getting bigger and bigger, so I recommend you join it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more.